Hey, what's up my soldiers, it's WildBlueYonder, and today I'm going to do the first of 9 videos that are going to break down each section of the ASVAB. Now the first section of the ASVAB is called General Science, and it's kind of a broad umbrella of terms and different things that you have to learn, and it's only a few questions. It's only 16 questions with 8 minutes to answer them on the computerized version, and 25 questions with 11 minutes on the paper version. So it's not really a whole lot of questions, and you don't have a whole lot of time to answer them. So you have to have a very good knowledge of science and just a general kind of understanding of chemistry, biology, and a few other things that I'm going to go over today. So these videos are going to kind of give you a clue on what to study, on what's on the test, some of the key terms, some of the just general ideas and umbrellas of knowledge that you have to learn. General science is pretty easy. I aced it. I got every single question right on mine every single time. That's just from basic like high school knowledge of biology, from earth science, from life science. It's really easy. General science has 3 different areas of knowledge. It's life science, earth and space, and physical science. Now each section has its own subsections of knowledge that you have to learn or kind of familiarize yourself with. So the first section is life science. It has its own 3 different subsections. The first is nutrition and health, the second is human body systems and organs, and the third is genetics. So if you took basic health classes in high school, if you took any type of biology class, any type of chemistry class, general science should not be an issue for you. The first one is nutrition and health, so that's minerals, vitamins, nutrient sources, and nutrient deficiencies, and what type of deficiencies can lead to diseases. So a question might be, if a patient is anemic, what type of mineral are they missing, or what type of mineral are they lacking? The answer would be iron. They can say something like, what is a good source of potassium? Bananas. It's really simple, easy questions. You don't have to have some in-depth, super intense knowledge of this material. The second one is human body systems and diseases. So this is your respiratory system, your muscular system, your organs, your digestive system, reproductive system. So just general knowledge of the human body and anatomy. Very simple, not too in-depth. They're going to ask you about human pathogens like common cold. Is that a virus? You know, explain what that is. Everything is just multiple choice. You only have about 30 seconds for each question, so I wouldn't give it too much thought. Don't spend too much time getting hung up on each one of these little subjects. Just have a general idea. The third one is genetics. So genetics is cell structures and functions. Prokaryotic cells versus eukaryotic cells, just general DNA, organelles. So what is a ribosome? What is a excuse me, what is the nucleus? What is a cell wall? What is the difference between a plant cell and an animal cell? Just general biology. They're also going to ask you about ecology and classifications for life. So going from an entire biome down to a species, down to a little organism. So you have to know each one of those classifications. And they're also going to ask you about producers, consumers, just general kind of like the way of nature. Also, you know when they have the charts where it's like a single common ancestor and it splits into different things, and then you have the animal kingdom, the plant kingdom, and it goes all the way down. You have to know like the different names of each stage. So they might say like Animalia, mammals, something else, I don't really know all of them, all the way down to Homo and then Homo sapien. Then they might say which one is a species. You just say Homo sapien. Easy. So just like that, we knocked out life science. The second one is earth and space. Earth and space is very simple. Geology, earth structure, cycles, water cycles, meteorology, the solar system in general. So if you know your planets, if you know how orbits work, if you know what the sun is, if you know just general concepts about the earth and the world around you, not a problem. And just like that, we're on part 3. Part 3 is physical science. So physical science, I think, would be the hardest for most people. This is optics, angles, basics of physics, laws of energy, laws of conservation, units of measure, degrees in Fahrenheit and Celsius, different things like that, metric measurements. So it's just kind of, I don't really know, just your kind of like mathematics side of the house. Basic element and atom structure knowledge. It's very simple, very easy. They're not asking you to pull out no Einstein mathematics, no equations, quadratic formulas, no, just general concepts. Not asking you to do anything too crazy. If you know what electrons and protons are, if you know what valence electrons are, if you know how carbon atoms have 4 valence electrons, they connect to everything else, just general stuff like that, you shouldn't have a problem. Hopefully this video can help you guys out a lot. I definitely would suggest you get the ASVAB Premier 2017 and 2018. They are not paying me to make this video. They are not endorsing me in any way, just making that public and knowledgeable. They should pay me because a lot of people have been buying them now and sending me pictures of their books, and like everybody's like happy. They say that it's a really good book, and I agree that it's a really great knowledge book. It has a bunch of study cards in the back. It has online tests. It has 3 tests in the book, like full-length tests that you can take. So it's a really great book. It's only about 30 bucks, so you can get it from any store, Amazon, anywhere. So make sure you check that out. Look forward to some more videos. I want to help you guys out a lot more. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great Saturday. See you guys next time. Peace out.